My eyes are up here, baby. Are you looking at the tattoo?
No, I'm looking at the hair on your arms.
You know, sassy just a little bit. And since you want to come at everybody over here, I'm going to get at you too. You kind of look like a Ninja Turtle.
Me blood clot.
Not that cute. You need to relax. You stocky as hell.
It is, Queen. I'm a licensed plumber.
I do real estate and property management.
I live downtown.
So what you do
I live
ain't nothing compared to
downtown.
me.
I stay by myself, Queen. You know, and you're not even qualified to be even
You
dealing with me.
say everybody not qualified.
You definitely not. You know, if anything, it was one of these two. I wasn't even looking your way. You
And
ain't
the one
my
that you
type.
wanted popped
If I
up
seen, that's fine.
what?
That is totally fine. But one thing about me, I could pull 100,000 on the bank. Can you do the same?
I'll have you hold this. Alright, if we can have your name.
My name's Aaron.
Aaron, how old are you?
Yeah, I'm 29.
29, okay,
Yes.
and what do you do?
I'm a licensed plumber.
Oh, very cool.
Very
Now,
handsome.
what do you look for in a woman?
I look for a woman that's not promiscuous and has a career going for herself.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And now, what are some of your deal breakers?
Deal breaker: being promiscuous, not cleanly, don't have a career, nothing really going for yourself.
Okay. All right. So we did get a pop balloon. Let's go
Okay.
ahead and go on over there and see what's going on.
Yes.
All right. If we can have your name and age and why you popped your balloon.
Hi, my name is Karma. I'm 24. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm supposed to say the pop in the balloon property. Got you. For me, it just did not work. I didn't feel like I had chemistry. I wasn't fully attracted to you, and I feel like that counts if we were going to be going through a dating show. You know?
Yes, the feeling is definitely mutual. So, that's okay. Thank you. You did me a favor.
You know?
Emotional damage.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm glad you have a great day.
Thank you, Queen. You too.
Okay.
My man is a savage. Yeah, you did me a favor. This is why my man went viral, because he was an absolute savage. He just didn't care. Anyway, let's finish the video.
All right. We got to pop over here. If we can have your name and age and why you ended up popping your balloon.
Hi, my name is Jara. I'm 22.
Okay. And why did we end up popping our balloon?
The comment you made didn't really. I like a more humble person. Not someone that responds so defensive-ish. Yeah, that's really it.
Yeah.
I didn't really necessarily like how
That's
you
fine.
responded.
Hey, I could just,
Yeah.
all I can do is be honest,
I mean,
you know.
yeah, be honest,
I
be your
came
authentic
over here
self. That's okay.
To find a match
Sure.
that wasn't matching. That's
Sure, I
all,
mean,
Queen.
I 100% understand.
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Sure.
And I was, she someone that's your type?
She all right, you know. You're not really my type. I don't mean to be disrespectful,
No, disrespect
you know,
you.
but if I see you in public, I wouldn't reach out to you.
Totally fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. And we did get a pop balloon over here. Your name and age and why you ended up popping your balloon.
I'm Lex and I'm 23 and I popped my balloon because I feel like you could be a tad bit disrespectful, like how you, like, I don't know.
Hey, he's sizing up everyone in the room. He's looking up from head to toe. He's looking at, you know, everything. This is one of the funniest pop the balloons I've ever seen. I tell you. I know I'm 6 months late, but who cares? I'm just joining the party. Better late than never, right?
Yeah, just that.
Well, voicing my opinion is not arrogant, you know. She asked me if she would be a good fit for me. If I like what I see, you know, it's contrary to the truth. So
Of course.
that's all I can do is just state what I see. That's not a good look for me. That's all, Queen. But thank you. You did me a favor as well.
Yeah, also, what I have to say is, it's not what you say. This is what I mean by what I said. It's not what you say, it's how you say it.
Yes.
You could have rephrased a lot of the things that you have been saying to me as well as the other girls differently. But that's all I have to say.
But one thing about me is I'm not going to change who I am
Of course.
to fit somebody else's liking. You know, I'm just going to tell it how it is. If you're not it, that's not it. You know,
Cool.
the one that is it, I'm going to let it be known.
Okay.
You know, for surely, yes.
Respectful.
Your name and age and why you ended up popping your balloon.
Brianna, 26. My eyes are up here, baby. Are you looking at the tattoo?
No, I'm looking at the hair on your arms. So, women I deal with, they don't have hair on their
Don't
arms.
do too much.
Hey, I'm just being honest,
Don't do
Queen.
too much.
You know, I don't like that. That's all I was looking at. You trying to say if I'm looking at.
Like I said, he's scanning everything in the room. He's scanning hair on the arms. He's scanning for long tail billies, looking like balloons. My man is a G. He don't care. This.
Particular body
You just
parts,
wasn't
the arms,
leeways.
Queen.
She asked me the question.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm in heels and you ain't tall enough.
Okay.
Don't do too much.
Well,
though.
you're not qualified, baby.
Alright.
So that's all good.
Let's move on.
Not qualified, not qualified.
We do still have 3 unpopped. Does she looking like you gonna pop? Okay. Okay. All right. If we can have your name and age and why you ended up popping.
My name is Jacqueline. I'm 25. I popped because I have hair on my arms.
Hey, just because you got hair on your arms, that's okay though, Queen. You look phenomenal though.
Thank you.
You know, she ain't fit to my liking. She ain't even fit to. Hey, excuse me, Queen. I'm talking to this woman right here. Well, I could look anyway. I could look anyway. I could look any way I want to. You know. But yeah, can y'all give her balloon back though?
She don't want it.
Yeah. Do you want your balloon back, Queen? We're not talking to you, sweetheart.
Okay.
We're not talking to you. We're not talking to you.
I'm not interested in. You got more hair on your arms than me, baby.
Me blood clot.
Anyway.
Okay. So you saying get your balloon back, but how you feeling, honey?
I'm not gonna get my balloon back.
Okay.
Okay. No problem. So we do still have 2 balloons.
Yes.
Do we still have 2 balloons? No. Let's go over here. I saw you hesitate. That's why I had to ask. So if we can have your name and age and why you ended up popping.
My name is Kayla. I'm 23. Originally, I was not gonna pop my balloon because I know a lot of them popped it because he was being, I guess, arrogant. But to me, I like my man that's not gonna sit in every girl's face and complimenting them. So I didn't find that offensive to me. But when they started what was going on, I'm very I don't want to say I'm argumentative. But I don't want my man to argue back with me because then I feel like it's gonna always be a problem. That was the only reason why I popped my balloon because I was just like, dang. But then with me, you kind of got a little bit catty with me. You a little sassy just a little bit. And since you wanna come at everybody over here, I'm gonna get at you too. You kind of look like a Ninja Turtle. You're not that cute. You need to relax. You stocky as hell. And I was trying to be respectful, but you was really coming out I didn't like it. I'm from the South and I can handle a lot of criticism and stuff like that, but the way you was coming, you just ain't like you got it all like that. And I guarantee you probably got a roommate at home and it's just not giving anymore.
Well, let me say this, Queen. I'm a licensed plumber.
So, I do real estate and property management.
I live downtown.
So what you do
I live downtown. I stay by myself, Queen. And you're not even qualified to be even
you
dealing with me.
You say everybody not qualified.
You definitely not. If anything, it was one of these two. I wasn't even looking your way. You ain't
the one
my
that
type.
You wanted popped
if I seen, that's fine. That's totally fine.
Okay.
But one thing about me, I could pull 100,000 on the bank. Can you do the same? Yeah, you do that. You can't do that though, baby. Yeah,
Let's move on.
You can't do that though, Queen.
Let's come for man's looks. Can you pull 100,000 out of the bank? No, you can't. You broke. Trying to shame a man for his looks. Man's in the gym pumping. He looks like a Ninja Turtle. He's Donatello. Let's carry on.
Your name and age.
Hi, I'm Esther. I'm 23.
And Esther, you still have your balloon unpopped. Why so?
Are you done?
Oh yeah, I'm done with the rest of that.
Okay. Okay, now we can talk, right?
In a real way.
Okay. What do you look for?
What
are you looking for?
A woman, like I said, that's not going to be promiscuous. A woman that's going to be consistent. A woman that has a career and things going for herself. Because I had the same thing going for myself.
Okay.
As well. I don't need a woman to give me her money or anything. I'm just looking for devotion and some loyalty. That's all. And some honesty.
You believe in God?
Oh, certainly. Yes, ma'am. I'm a God-fearing man. I practice monotheism. I won't tell you what I identify as religion-wise, but we can get to that at a later date and time. You know,
can.
if you choose to leave here with me.
Okay. Do you know the Bible says that love is kind?
Yes, certainly.
Are you here for love, or are you here to just insult
I'm trying to create a family. You know, that's what I aspire to do.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You're good?
Sure, we're good.
Oh, okay. All right. Any questions for her?
No, not at all.
Do you have any kids?
No, I don't.
Do you want kids?
I do. You
How old
gonna
are
give
you
me
again?
some? Huh?
How old are you?
I'm 29. How old are you?
23.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfectly fine. You know, we might as well get up out of here right now.
Well, let's
Yeah.
step on over here. Let's step that way real quick for me. Step that way.
Okay.
All right. So it seems like there's a little vibe here. So is it gonna be a yes for you for him?
God says save souls, so yeah.
Oh, and is it a yes for you for her?
Yeah, hell yes, baby.
Okay, we got a match. All right, let me take this mic and y'all can go on off.
Look at the one in the blue dress. The one in the blue dress is still hating. She just still want to keep going at it. Chill, queen. You're just not qualified. Chill. Ladies and folks, we've come to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below. I'm 6 months late, but I react to whatever I want, whenever I want. Anyway, Sir Boss TV signing out. Enjoy the video, make sure you share it, like it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next video, I'm gone.